This is how a Good Friday ceremony looks in Rome. Normally, tens of thousands of people would attend the celebrations, with Pope Francis leading Catholics around the Roman amphitheatre. But this year, streets around the Colosseum are empty. Not even Pope Francis is there. In Italy, churches are closed for both celebrations and funerals. This local priest in Catania has asked children to draw pictures depicting Easter celebrations.
Holding the ceremony and looking at the empty pews saddened our hearts, so we organized that the children were present through their art that represents Easter in the time of coronavirus.
The coronavirus death toll curve in Spain has flattened further, and the government is discussing different strategies to start easing strict lockdown measures. France also embracing harsh measures for Easter. That didn't stop French singer Veronica Antonelli to decide, bringing a bit of life to her neighborhood from her balcony.
It's true that not everyone knows each other on this street. But now we come together at 8 p.m. every day to express our support for our health workers and all the other core workers.
In Britain, the newly elected main opposition Labour Party leader has called on the government to lay out a roadmap of the plan going forward, despite Prime Minister Boris Johnson remaining in hospital.
I'm not calling for a specific date. I completely understand that that's not realistic, but we do need to know what are the principles. How have you set this up? What's the framework you're operating to? Because I think transparency and openness will help with the public. The public need these questions answered, and I think we're much more likely to get their trust if the government's open about it. So that's why I'm pushing the government to publish and tell people what is the exit strategy. The principles, not the precise timing.
Care England, the body representing aged care homes across the UK, estimates that up to 1,000 people in care homes have died from Covid-19. But these numbers are not being included in the UK's official death toll. Lutfa Hood says she didn't get to say goodbye to her father, who died from the virus, along with 6 other elderly people at a care home in East London.
You know, those could have been beside him. We could have, stroked his hair and held his hand.
More than 40,000 elderly Brits are currently in care homes. The government is under pressure to make more personal protective equipment is delivered to those homes, and they are among the first places to receive tests when they are widely distributed across the country. Mehmet Solmaz, TRT World.